What's up, YouTube, man? I'm gonna be checking out this restaurant right here.
Version I've ever had.
Wayne's was talking
now,
about
normally, if you go to a northern Thai restaurant, they would serve you just a single piece of chicken, maybe a leg, maybe a chicken breast.
We are going
Here, they serve
to
you
try
the
that
entire chicken.
right now. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm on the way there. Alright, we finally made it. We went through the back roads, but we are here at the famous Khong Khao Mueang. How you doing? Sorry, guy. If my camera will act. Hold up. Alright, there we go. We're here. Finally. Let's go. Boom. How you doing? Mark told us to check this out, so we're gonna check it out. Over here? Thank you.
Yes.
Oh wow, nice scenery. Check this out. We'll sit here. Oh, what an amazing place. Let's check out this scenery.
You know what I? Oh.
Sit on the floor.
Hello.
How you doing?
Menu.
You came for the chicken. We really stepped out here in the country, man. It was a good time getting out here. Now we're in this nice building. It's cozy. Some of the first couple meals are coming out. Thank you. Better push it.
No.
Okay. So yeah, we have chicken right here. Oh wow. This is a beautiful thing. Can't smell it, but I can. I'm telling you right now, it's worth every second I drove here. Which was a very beautiful drive coming in here. Buttercup. I meant cup from cup. Yeah, there we go. I'm learning. Let me get some of this chicken. There it is. Oh wow. Definitely. Get some of that cilantro on there. We'll go in there and grab all that. Let's get that bone out of there. Man, y'all literally, you have to eat through me. No diddy. This meal only gonna cost me $12. Can you believe that? YouTube, man. Tell you what, this was definitely worth the drive. My nose. Well, you don't get no more authentic than that. Chicken flavor. Sweat bullets. I got answer. Can't beat this experience. Falls off the bone. It's just falling off the bone. Alright, I got napkins. Enough napkins, dude. So, we are done with that. Last time I ate in a hut like this was in Iraq. And we had a goat that the locals had made. It was a big platter. So, can't beat it, man. Can't beat it with a stick. So, final thoughts. Ten out of 10. It was a 10 out of 10 experience. You can't beat it. Chicken's amazing. Somtam was amazing. Sticky rice was amazing. Even the water was good. I destroyed the napkin holder. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But it is what it is. I gotta get back before it starts raining. That was a drive. I drove about 30 minutes outside of the city. So I'm in the country. I'll try to do some B-roll while I'm in the country driving, because I could drive slower in the country. And it was beautiful, man. I drove by this temple. I'm gonna stop by on the way back. It's gonna be pretty lit. So, as far as this chicken, gone. Alright, man. All we gotta do is pay. See some scenery. That big ass bee right there. I have good energy. I'm not worried about it. Big ratio, big load. As you can see, it's a vibe when you come here. Just go ahead, put it in your GPS. You're gonna drive through the country. You're gonna be like, is this it? But yeah, it is it. Just keep going. You'll find it. It's on the left-hand side of the road if you're coming from Chiang Mai. So if you're driving straight up, it's on your left-hand side. My right, your left. But thank you for this opportunity, man. I love the community, man. Stop by if you're in here. Mark Wayne's is not lying. It's just smacked. Oof. All right, man, I'm out. All right, I'm gonna leave my stuff here, but I'm gonna pay. I'm ready. And I don't know. I'm trying to finesse the way. I don't know if it'll sit there the way it's supposed to. I can put it on my. I'll try to put it on my strap right here, but we'll see now. One hell of a ride back. Let's walk over here, introduce ourselves, and then head out. cup. That's good. Amazing. Aloy Mark. Who do we got the whole family here, guys. Everybody's here. Yeah, you too. Say, see you later. All right, man. Off. Got another journey. We gotta do. Grandma called me cute. All right, man. Woo. Let's get it. Stuffed. A long ride with the itis. Remember that. We gotta go back home. We gotta go back home. We gotta go back home. All right, YouTube. I found the market. Let's go. I'm looking for a smoothie. We just ate, so food is not on my mind, but I do want to. Yeah, we were just driving home, found the market. Said let's stop by the market. Definitely get what you call it? Salted pig, pork bellies. Can't beat this stuff, man. And then we have fruit on this one, but no smoothie so far. I will miss So far, no smoothies. Might have to keep driving. Do something for that. Cereal. Again, I'm the only foreigner here.
ดูไลฟ์เน็ตก็มีนะคะก็กันได้เลยค่ะ
You too? Yeah, head out of here soon. Might be good. Smells amazing. We got fried stuff everywhere, fresh produce everywhere. This is the culture. What's up, brother?
เวลาดีจ้าแล้วดูเลยจ้า
What up? Need a Bluetooth speaker. Bluetooth. Actually, they're able to look pretty cool. Look at that. I could one-stop shop. Ooh. Can I do 200 baht for the speaker? Is it charged up? Oh, I gotta charge it, huh? I'm good. Yeah, I gotta put on the charger. Might charge it.
iPhone.
Yeah, I need this for Bluetooth I have at home. Oh, my bad. Let me get this one. How much is it? 50 baht. 50 baht. I'll do it for 50 baht. Whatever. Whatever's clever, trouble. But if you ever come in, hit my man up. He's right here. Boom, we're in here. Let's keep it moving. I was gonna grab the Bluetooth, but I would have to charge it, and I wanted it for the ride home, so it's not gonna work. do get the cheap iPhones, y'all. Oh, we got the watches. Swadika. Why not get a watch? Kind of like these little ones, these classics. Kind of like in style. Smartwatches. There you go. I'm gonna let them get set up. They're not all the way set up yet. Once you get set up, I'll come back to them. This is a toys. This is what happens when you're the only foreigner. That cable was not 50 baht, but I didn't care. I was like, put some tax on it. Smoked fish, can't beat it. Oh man. Lots of juice on there. How much is the juice? 20? 20 baht. 20 baht. No, I'm gonna drink it now. Paprika. I had to get it. Oh man. You're gonna try pineapple juice. Let's see. Alright, let's go back in. And then I'm gonna walk out. Head to the crib. Mark, I don't know if I can do that one, man. As you can tell, the dialects up here are more laid back and smooth.
A few moments later.
I ran out of gas. I ran out of gas. On the way back. I had to get a Grab driver to pick me up. I ran out of gas. We went and got 2 gas real quick. Now we're on the way back. Just enough to get me some gas. What's up, YouTube, man? Back at it again. I was on the way home and I stopped by a market on the side of the road. This, I think I seen my wife too. Alright. I wanted to show you because this market's pretty dope, but my camera's dirty, so give me a second. Alright, bet. Now we're in there. So you'll get the perspective. Now you can see what I'm talking about. It's crazy. Oh my. That was the end of it. And now I started the video down this way so I could walk back through. And then get to my scooter. They got all kind of shit there. The other part was way full. I'm gonna switch it back around so you can see that. Gonna go all the way down. Now you get to see what I see.
No, I'm sitting there.
Okay. All those meals. All these meals. Fresh juice. Definitely gonna come get some. Okay. Excuse me. Pretty dope, huh? Totally. Yeah, and that was pretty much it. Figured I'd just stop and let y'all see that. I'm gonna go ahead and head back to my scooter. All right, signing off. YouTube, I love y'all.